Just imagine the stack of HUDs and checks of assignment fees turns into this. What would this do for you, your wholesaling business, and ultimately your life? What if I gave this to you right now? Would you be able to pay your bills? Would you be able to pay any debts? Not worry about life? If this is something you want to make in the next 30 days and you have no money, no credit, I can show you how you can produce HUDs and checks and pretty much anything you ever want with the power of wholesaling real estate. You see, money doesn't grow on trees, but there are so many wholesaling real estate deals out there that are just ready for you to pick. I mean, it's literally a tree of deals. You pick out the lead, you turn it into something that actually is going to help change your life, and you are going to become successful. So in today's video, I want to show you exactly how you are going to be making over $50,000 wholesaling real estate in the next 30 days without any money, credit, capital, or anything like that. I'm also going to share with you exactly how any beginner can go from not even knowing what wholesaling real estate is to be going out here and making millions of dollars. Coolest part is you don't need to go buy a house. You don't need to go get a loan or any of that stuff. I mean, you're just going to write a contract to buy a house, sell to a hedge fund, and go out here and produce results. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Zach Ginn. I'm currently 26 years old and I make over $1 million a month in real estate investing and wholesaling real estate. And I've been in this business for over 9 years. Now I might be like, well, Zach, it's really easy for you to make all this money in real estate investing and wholesaling because you've been doing it for so long and you have so much experience. Well, not so fast, my friend. I also have the largest real estate investing and wholesaling community called freewholesaling.com, where I teach ordinary people like you to make a ton on their first wholesaling real estate deal without spending any money. That's literally why it's called freewholesaling.com. You turn no money into something. Now, let me be clear with you. The results I'm showing you sound insane, but they're completely true. Go to freewholesaling.com, my free course and community, and just click on any of my testimonials. You're going to see guys like Caleb right here that I showed exactly what to do, and he made $84,000 on a wholesaling real estate deal. Way more than this, all from the power of the information I'm about to share with you. Now, do you want to know how much Caleb paid me for the information that I gave him that made him $84,000? Nothing. Zero, zilch. That's why so many people follow me and watch my videos on YouTube, because I can turn anybody into a successful real estate wholesaler without spending a dime of their own money. But in exchange for this, you're gonna have to do me a favor. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. So specifically what I'm talking about today is wholesaling real estate. So you're gonna start with no money. You're not using anyone's capital. You're gonna be getting paid $10, $20, $30, $40, $50,000 per deal you do. And you can make this money in the next 30 days. You might be like, Zach, what's the catch? Like, I'm all in. The catch is you're gonna have to work for it, okay? You just don't get $50,000 opportunities by just sitting around all day. You actually get it by working your absolute tail off. And that's what I'm gonna be showing you today. The first thing we gotta talk about of how to make $50,000 in the next 30 days wholesaling real estate is, what in the world is wholesaling real estate? Well, wholesaling real estate is a really simple 3-step process. There's step 1, step 2, and step 3. There's 3 parties in this transaction and 3 steps. Step 1, you go out here and find a seller, somebody who owns a house like this. Let's just use a house, and it is either ugly, distressed, or it's just a house in general, right? All you're going to do is you, which is you right here, you are in the middle. You are then going to go out here and find somebody who wants to sell their house. They are going to be called a seller. So you are going to find someone who wants to sell their house. You are then going to go out here, step 1. Step 2 is you are going to write a contract, right? Here's what we call a contract, to buy it for, let's say, a certain price. Let's zoom it in here and just write a little price here. Let's say you agree to buy the house for $100,000. And then step 3, you're going to find some big fat landlord, hedge fund, whatever you want to call, with glasses. I don't know why I'm putting glasses, but maybe you call them glasses, who is going to be your buyer. Specifically what we call in this business a cash buyer. Now this guy is named Ted. He is the most boring person you can ever imagine. And he currently owns 100 plus rentals in Atlanta. Just a regular guy, makes a lot of money in tech. And he goes out here and uses all the money he makes from his job, and he buys a bunch of rental properties. All you are going to do, which is this is you are going to go sell him this contract for a $50,000 finder's fee, which means he is going to go buy this property for $150,000. Now you might be like, Zach, can you chill out? Like, this is a little confusing. So let's bring it from the top. Number 1, you are going to go out here and find somebody who wants to sell their property. Usually the property is ugly, it's distressed, there's some sort of situation on the property. And number 2, you are going to go out here and write a contract to go buy it for the lowest price you can negotiate, which pretty simple. I'll show you how to do that. Let's say, for example, you write a contract to buy it for $100,000. And then number 3, you are then going to sell that contract to Ted, this guy who owns a bunch of rental properties, for a $50,000 markup. He is going to pay $150,000 to go buy the house. 50 grand goes to you in the form of a check, which you can convert to anything you possibly could want. And $100,000 goes to the seller who agreed to sell it for $100,000, and he's happy at the end of the day. He turns that frown upside down. Now he doesn't have to deal with this house anymore. Sounds like a win-win for me. The seller wants to sell his house. He agrees to sell it for $100K. He receives $100K in 30 days. You sell it at a markup and collect a $50,000 check from a legitimate title company. Now, I've been wholesaling real estate for over 9 years. I've done over 4,000 of these types of transactions. And I can tell you straight up that this is as simple as it gets for wholesaling real estate. Now, you might be like, well, this sounds like a scam. Okay, Teddy, I know you think this is a scam, but let me explain this to you, bro. Number 1, we go through lawyers. We use lawyers to go out here and do the closings for us. We use title companies, legitimate title companies. You ain't trapping, you ain't scamming. And number 3, this is completely legal. And if anything was going on that was illegal, a lawyer would say, hey, we're not going to close this transaction. The title company won't let you close it. It's really that simple. Now, the real question here, and this was the question that I had, so maybe you guys don't even have this question, but this is a question I had starting out. Why in the world would this seller sell their house that's worth $150,000 for $100 grand? Why would somebody do that? That's honestly a really good question. Let me answer this question with a little story. If you have this little piece of crap car, remember, I cannot draw, and it's a 2004 Honda Civic with 120,000 miles on the odometer, and the car is currently worth $10,000, and you want to trade it for a brand new 2025 Honda Accord that the car is worth $25,000, right? Let's say you want to trade in your beat up car and get a new car, right? You need new, you got kids and stuff, you want a safer car, whatever, right? If that car is worth $10,000, do you guys know how much you would be offered on a trade-in for? Anybody would take any guesses? How much would a car dealership offer you for the car? Would they offer you 10 grand for the car? No, because they are going to buy it for cash. There is speed. You don't have to worry about selling it. It's instantly done there. And it's really easy and convenient to go out here and trade in the car. I would say most people trade in their cars. And if you look at a statistic here from Edmunds, it says in 2021, 46 to 50% of all new vehicle purchases in the United States involved a trade-in. So it's a very common practice with cars that you are going to sell the car for less than what it's worth for the speed and convenience of the sale. And if you look, when you trade in a car, you're usually selling it for 15 to 30% lower than what you would have received in a private sale, which basically means you are taking a 15 to 30% nosedive by just selling it for the speed and convenience of selling it for cash. That is how people trade in cars. And especially the uglier the car, the more attractive this is for somebody to do. So you would be selling your $10,000 car for $7,000 on a trade-in because you don't deal with any of the hassle. The same exact thing happens in real estate. This is basically what we do. You have a house, it's really ugly, it's beat up, the roof is leaking, there's a lot of situations, and the house maybe is worth $100,000 if you go out here and use a stupid realtor with it. Here's the problem with the realtor. The seller's gonna have to pay 6% to the realtor in commissions. There's probably 3% in closing costs, and probably another 3% in just extra fees, doc stamps, title, all that stuff. On average, the seller is paying 12% just to sell the house. I know this sounds crazy, but it costs literally 12% just to go out here and close on the property, which means if you sell a house for $100,000, you actually net at the end of the day $88,000. Not a lot of people know about real estate until you actually go out here and sell a house, but you're roughly about 12%. Some people say 9, but roughly about 12% on average if you put in even negotiations to go sell a house. That means if you sell it for the most, you're already taking a 12% nosedive on the value. What we do is, I think we're pretty cool. We will offer usually 30% below what the house is worth, and they actually can account that 12%. So really for most people, it's about an 18% dive, which honestly is pretty on par with trading in with a car. That's basically what we do. We offer speed and convenience for a nice, simple cash sale, and we have a ton of people that are interested in this. Now, as you probably think, most people who want to trade in their car, it's usually not like a really nice car where they're you're going to lose a ton of money. So again, no one's going to be trading in their Ferraris or Lamborghinis or Porsches. They're usually going to be trading in their Hondas and their Toyotas and their Buicks and stuff like that. Same thing in real estate. So you're going to be making primarily the most amount on these deals on properties that are worth under $500,000. So you're not doing this with luxury real estate. You're mostly doing this with average single family properties. But the best part about this is you ain't making a little $3,000 flipping the car. You're going out here and making $50,000. Now, the most I've ever made on a wholesaling real estate deal is $125,000. I currently have a deal right now. I'm hoping to make like 150 grand, but like the number's gonna be tight. I think it's gonna be 150. It might be 130, but I make a lot of money in this business because I'm really good at finding distressed real estate. Now, the second question you might have is how in the world would this buyer guy, let's use him for example, can't really draw today. Why in the world would this buyer go out here and pay me $50,000 if he could just go to the seller himself? That's a very good question. And to tell you the truth is, this buyer, all he does is buy rental properties. He might fix the houses himself, he might fix and flip them, but he is not good at finding the deal. That's what us as the wholesaler is. We are absolute experts at going out here and finding the deals, the properties. This guy is not gonna go out here and call sellers. He's not gonna use a text blasting software. He's not gonna pull lists or data. He is focused only on renting properties and fixing and flipping them and getting money. He is not doing any of the stuff direct to the seller that we do as wholesalers. But because we do a little more grunt work, we literally get the $50,000 without spending any money of our own to go out here and get rich. So this comes down to the most important question. Well, Zach, like, how do I get started? How do I find a deal like this? How do I go out here and get successful and make all this money so I can become rich? Oh, that's pretty easy, my friends. And I'm gonna show you how to do this all completely for free. Now, when it comes to making money in wholesaling real estate, there's either the free way or there's the easy way to go here and do this. Now, the reason I kind of split it from the free and the easy way is because the free way is going to have some pros and cons. There's pros and there are cons. Same thing with the easy way. There's pros and there's cons to it. If you want to find a wholesaling real estate deal the free way, the big pro is obviously there's no money. No cash makes me a pretty happy guy. Now, the big con is when you're doing wholesaling real estate the free way to find deals, it is a lot of time, a lot of time. Now, the big pro of the easy way is it's not much time. There's way less effort, but the big con with the easy way is it does cost money. Now, the interesting part is for most people, if you have $100 to $300 a month in a budget, that's pretty much all you really need to go out here and do it the right way. This method right here, probably going to be about 15 hours a week of just pure marketing to go out here and make 50 grand. If you're doing the free way, you probably got to put about 80 hours a week and you can still make the same $50,000. The cool part about both of this is there's a lot of overlaps because you're basically using the same lists. They're pretty much the same. What's different is if you're using a software or not to go out here and make it easier or not. So there is a paid way and a free way to get in the wholesaling business. Now, I don't really call it paid anymore because $100 to $300 is not like a crazy amount of money to start spending in marketing for a business like this compared to other marketing, but it's more of an easier way to do it versus doing it for free. Now, some people just can't have the $100, $200, $300 a month in budget, and that's completely fine. But you just have to know that the con is you're going to be putting a lot of time in this business. But the cool part is you're always going to end up making pretty much the same amount of money starting out. So what is the free way to go out here and find these real estate wholesaling deals? The free way is simple. You're going to find distressed real estate sellers and write a contract to buy it for a really good price by going after free methods of doing this. This can be going out here on Zillow and going to the for sale by owner section. You can go pull a list from the county of what we call list pendences or pre-foreclosures. You can go out here and pull a list of liens. You can go pull a list of probates, code violations, and you go out here on, let's say these type of properties right here, right? And you're then going to go out here and get their phone number, what we call skip tracing. And then you're going to go out here and call these people up on a free dialer, usually Google Voice. And then you're going to go out here and get a contract and a lead and a deal. Now, the question here is, what about this little thing? Zillow for sale by owners. Well, this is cool. These are people who list their property on Zillow. You can just call these people up and get a deal doing that. Or you go out here and pull this data set, get their phone number and start calling them. Now, how do you get their phone number? I recommend you just go to xleads.com. Now, here's the thing. xleads.com is actually a paid software, but you're able to get a 14-day free trial. And in that trial, you're able to get 1,000 numbers for free. You can actually get 1,000 free numbers that are completely for free. And then you can easily get your first deal doing that. And then you get a deal, then you obviously just pay for xleads. I think xleads is like 97 bucks a month. But if you don't want to use xleads, you can use another website like truepeoplesearch.com. But I only recommend you do that after your free trial at xleads because what's the point? If you get the phone numbers for free, the problem is to do 1,000 skip traces, it'll probably take you about 60 hours to go out here and actually get their phone numbers because you have to manually copy and paste from that site. They don't let you do it all at once. But inside of xleads, you can literally upload upload the list and export it in like 5 seconds, and you got the best skip tracing and phone numbers out there. So if you have no money at all, I'd recommend you pull this data set, get their phone numbers, call them up, and get a wholesaling deal. Now, the main issue here is, well, Zach, like, what do I say to actually get a deal? Like, how do I call a Zillow for sale by owner and get them to actually sell to me? How do I pull a pre-foreclosure list? How do I pull a lien? Like, what do I say when I call these people up to convince them to sell to me for cheap? How do I even know how much a deal is worth? How do I use Google Voice? Well, I got you covered. Didn't I tell you that I have the largest real estate wholesaling course and community, and it's completely for free? That's right. All you have to do is just go to freewholesaling.com and I'll teach you how to wholesale real estate complete for free. Or you can just go right here to school.com/wholesaling. Look for the picture of me and Hermosi right there, and I'll teach you how to wholesale real estate completely for free. Just search up wholesaling real estate on school. It's literally school.com/wholesaling. Just go to the classroom section. Literally go right here, the welcome section. You can learn how to wholesale, how to find deals, how to find what they're worth, how to close them, how to sell them. It's all inside of here in my free real estate wholesaling course and classroom. And in there's step-by-step videos that you won't see on YouTube that are exclusive only to the course. So you can go out here and have a ton of success in wholesaling. Then from there, go through the process and you're gonna make a ton of money. Now that's probably gonna take you roughly 60 to 80 hours a week to do, because it's very manually do it all yourself, especially after the 1,000 skips, because you have to manually skip trace. But if you wanna do it the easy way, what I'd recommend is you pull the same data, right? You pull the probates, the code violations, the same government data, because this is really where you're gonna get a lot of these leads. You're gonna pull the same free lists. But on top of that too, I would recommend you go to xleads.com, same website, xleads.com. It's where I kind of run my whole wholesaling business. It's an all-in-one wholesaling software. But they have something called an AI list. And pretty much what this is it's a list of properties in your area ranked from 0 to 1,000, how likely they are to sell for a discount. Pretty much what it does is has AI analyze billions of data points to figure out, hey, this person's address changed. They probably want to get rid of it. Hey, they haven't paid their taxes. Hey, their credit score just changed. All these factors internally about the seller and the property. And you could figure out pretty quick if the house is distressed or not. And anything that's a 700 score or above, they have a very high propensity of wanting to sell for a discount. So the X Leads AI literally finds the sellers for you. And there's also what we call our SkyDrive AI list, which is a list that X Leads has where it pretty much has a satellite where they tap into satellites and get real-time photos of properties in real time. And they score every house in live with a live picture of the satellite. And from 0 to 100, it'll tell you how ugly the house is looking just from the satellite. And anything that's a 70 or above is actually a really good deal. It's like our AI drawing for dollars. And if you take all of this data set, get it skip traced within xleads.com. So go to xleads.com for the skip tracing. You get 25,000 skips. And literally what I would do is I would just have you text all these sellers and call them. Now calling does take some time, but the cool part about texting is you just take the list, throw it into xleads.com, tag it SMS, and automatically it's just going to text the sellers for you. They're going to text back saying, I want to sell or I don't want to sell. And boom, you go out here and get a contract. It's a lot less work and it's a lot easier to do. So that's what I would recommend for you. So the easy way is pretty simple. You pull the same list, which is going to be a majority of your time. You import it into xleads.com. Literally just go to upload CSV and upload the list right here. And you can import all the data you want. The lead, and they're going to want to sell the property. You can either use the freewholesaling.com AI, which will tell you exactly how much to offer the seller. xleads.com is a lot better. It just gives you a little more accurate data, but it'll tell you exactly how much to offer. You make an offer to the seller, you write a contract, and then you can sell the contract or what we call dispo it, dispositions, and then sell it to a buyer and then go out here and make your money. Now, how do you find that buyer? You can use xleads.com, which has a list of cash buyers that will buy your deal for you. Or you can go out here and go to Facebook, which I teach inside of freewholesaling.com, how to go on Facebook and find cash buyers for free. You can also find cash buyers for free on Zillow. But obviously the software just makes it a little easier, and that's pretty much it. Then from there, you're running a machine where you're finding wholesaling deals using either the free AI or the paid AI to figure out how much to offer the person. You lowball them, you get a contract for the lowest possible price. Then you reach out to buyers who want to buy that deal from you. You offer to sell it to them. You collect your $10,000, your $30,000, your $50,000 on your assignment fee. You rinse and repeat every single month, and you become super successful in wholesaling real estate. So if you want to make a ton of money in wholesaling real estate, I highly recommend you join my free real estate wholesaling course and community, freewholesaling.com, and you hit that like button and subscribe. I go live twice a week on this YouTube channel. I go live on Tuesdays. I go live on Thursdays. So you can actually watch me wholesale real estate live. I explain new concepts, what's going on with the business, what's new. So you'll never stop learning and getting better with your skills for wholesaling real estate. I promise you, wholesaling real estate changed my life, and I know it's going to change yours. So if you got any value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.